Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you are having a wonderful day. I am here to give a short preview of the upcoming sale I will be having on my channel February 17th, which is next Wednesday at 7 Central Standard Time. It is going to be stamps, and then there's also stamps and die sets sale. Everything is going to be $5 and below, and I'm hoping to get them out the door. So I'm here to show you some of the items that I have. I'm not going to show you them all, or I might as well have the sale, right? Alright. Here's just a few items that'll be $5. I only got 4. And stamps and dies. $5. A lot of stamps. Some are going to be, some of these items are used and some are new. When I go to have the sale, I will tell you. This is the $3 items. Some of them. I'm not going to go, like I said, go through the whole thing. But I have a whole boatload of stamps and die sets right here. All packaged up, brand new. I went through and double checked last night. None of them have ever been used. Brand spanking new. I have some unities. Got a few of this. Then I got ones like this. And I got close to my heart. Here's another stamp and die set. $3, never used. $3, never used. Another stamp, never used. Never used. Never used. Never used. Ooh. So, wooden stamps. I made packages up like this. Got a lot of stamps in there for $3. And that will be in the $3 bin. There's more, guys. Oh, there's a lot of $3. So. The $2 bin, for example. Oops, sorry, dropping stuff all over my desk. Got wooden ones. Got ones like this. And we got ones like this. Some are brand new, never used, guys. And then we have the art impressions people. This one I don't think I ever used. I may use this. Yeah, this is the one you can tell I used a lot. Nothing wrong with it, just I used it a lot. Used. Another one I used. I don't think I ever used that one. This stamp was 14 bucks. Crazy, ain't it? And then one little girls. Never even used or put on a block. This one I used. So that ones like that. Then I have ones like this. One like that. Trying to see what else is in this one. Whoop, dropped one. A little girl. Ones like that. There's a set of little girls. There's 2 in this. And then I got some wooden ones. So that's a pretty view of the $2 stamps. I'll be more organized on the sale itself. So you're aware. The $2 or the dollar bin. There it is. Some foam stamps for $1. And then I packaged up some little smaller stamps into a package just to let them go. Then I got like an alphabet set that's missing a 1, 2, 0, and I don't even know. I looked for them. I don't know why. And then I have an half an alphabet set You know, I'm going to sell those probably together just to get them out of here. Let's set this. That's supposed to be in there. Got some little ones. So that's the, there ain't too many in the dollar bin. Like that. There you go. So that's a preview of the upcoming sale. Stamps and die set sale on February 17th, which is next Wednesday at 7 Central Standard Time. I hope to see you there. I hope you find something you liked, and I look forward to seeing you all on that day. As always, bye. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye. For now, have a good day, everybody.